Hello people, welcome back to another video of Data Science with Sameer. In our previous video, we have learned how to install Python, how to create virtual environment, how to access Jupyter Notebook. In this video, we will give you a small introduction of Jupyter Notebook and its all shortcuts. Apart from that, we will also cover all the Python data structure, be it list, tuple, set and dictionary, and with all the operators required. So let's begin. Now we will click here and type Anaconda and we will open Anaconda prompt. We will type Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. We have successfully launched Jupyter Notebook. Now we will click on new and we will click here on Python. We are currently in new notebook. This is the file name. Now we are going to change it Python data structure. This is a menu bar and this is the toolbar. We will click here on help and user interface tool. So this is the file name what we have changed now, and then this is a menu bar and this is the toolbar. This will show you the mode indicator. In this notebook we have two modes, one is command mode and second one is edit mode. So currently we are in command mode and now we are in a edit mode. So there would be a pencil sign and green border interrupting the kernel. By clicking this you can cancel a computation in progress. Notification area, it will show you the notification, save, interrupted and everything, it will reflect here. So we will click now on help and keyboard shortcuts. So here are some keyboard shortcuts. By pressing escape button you will enable the command mode and then you can use any of this shortcut. So I am leaving this on to you to check all these shortcuts. Now I am moving forward to other section of this tutorial. For your ease, I have created some notes for data structure. I am giving the download link in description. So this is the definition of list. List is a comma separated items enclosed in square braces. List is mutable, means in list we can change elements. So this is the example of list. We will do practical as well, and then these are some methods we can perform on list: append, insert, extend, copy, count, clear, index, remove, pop, reverse and sort. And then tuple is also a comma separated items but enclosed in round braces. Tuple is immutable, means in tuple we can't change the elements. And this is the example of tuple. And then there is a set, and here is the definition of set. The set uses a keyword set with a comma separated item enclosed with both square and round braces, and set can also be created with curly braces. Set is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements. Curly braces or the set function can be used to create sets. So here is the example of set. And then dictionary, a set of key and value pairs with the requirement that the key are unique within one dictionary. Dictionaries are indexed by keys which can be immutable. Now we will do practical. So now we will see the example of list. So we will create one list by the name of A and we will pass some random numbers. And then we will check the data type of the list A. We will type and we will pass the list name which is A. We can see here the data type is list. We have different operators which we can use to manipulate the list. We will check now if list is mutable or not. So A and on 0 equal to, if I want to replace by 100. Let's check. Now again if we check, instead of 1 now it is 100. So that means the list is mutable. You can change any value in list. So there are lots of operators to manipulate the list. So we will check one by one. So first we will take append. So a dot append, and what you want to append, I'll just give 100. And if we check a dot append, now if we check a, then 100 is added in the list. The other operator is insert. There is a difference between append and insert. In append, value will add at the bottom, whereas in insert you can pass the argument as position. So we will check insert now. A dot insert, and then we want position. I want to add on the 3 position, which is 6, and I want 20. If I check now A again, then we can see 20 is there. 0, 1, 2 and 3. At third position 20 is there. The other operator is count. If you want to count how many 6 are there in the list, we can do it by a dot count, and then we will pass what we want to count. So 6 is 2 times in the list. Other operator is copy. If you want to copy the entire list, we can copy it by operator copy. So we will assign the copy value to list B, a dot copy, and if we check B now, we can see the entire list is copied to B. And then there is another function which is extend. So there is a difference between append, insert and extend. In extend we take only iterable values. So for example, if we want to extend list B with A, so we can do by B dot extend with A. If we check now, so we can see we have extended the value of list A in list B. And then there is a operator called sort. If I do it, a dot sort, we can check now the values are sorted. And then we have another operator called reverse. If a dot reverse, and if we check A now, then the value is reversed. And the other operator is index. We can check now. We can get the position of any value. So if we want to check what is the position value of 94, so we can see it is on second. So 0, 1 and 2 in second. And what more? Pop. So if we want to remove the last value of the list, we can do it by using pop. So a dot pop. So now 3 is popped out. If we check A again, so there is no 3. And then there is an operator called clear. If you want to clear all the values, we can do it by a dot clear. And now if we check A, the list is blank. Now we will check the tuple. So tuple is a comma separated values in round braces, and it is immutable. There you can't change any value of tuple. So we will create a tuple by name, and then bracket data science with Samir. So in name, position 0, 1, 2, 3. Instead of Samir, if I want to add some other name, example Siddharth, then we got the error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So data science with Samir will be there. There won't be any other name. We will check the data type and name. It is tuple. Another example is set1 and 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 5 6. Oh, actually it's not square brackets, it's a curly brackets we need to use. So if we check the data now, set1 type set, if we print set1, we can see we have passed some values which is duplicate. In set, if you print data, you will not get any duplicate. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 only is there. Now we will move to dictionary. So in dictionary there are two values, one is key, second one is value. So again the keys are actually unique and immutable. So we can create like dict1 equal to name Samir, profession data analyst, location Bangalore. So if we type here and check dictionary 1, we can see this is a dictionary. Data type is dictionary and dictionary 1 dot keys. We can see name, profession and location are the keys, and values we can see Samir data analyst and Bangalore is the value. In this video we have this much. We have discussed today all the data structure, be it list, tuple, set and dictionary. So if you like the content, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.